Boom, 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 boom. Boy. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance, everybody. My name is Christopher Belly. I'm a certified CPA accountant. I'm a long-term boglehead investor. I'm author of the book Stop Being a Broke Loser. It's on Amazon. And I am here to announce my U.S. Taxation for Individuals seminar. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I am actually a certified public accountant, and I'm going to tell you all the deductions so that you never pay taxes again. I'm just kidding. That's actually, if somebody ever tells you that, that's sketchy. But no, in all seriousness, I'm hosting a U.S. Taxation for Individuals seminar this Saturday at 10 a.m. Eastern. Now, I want you to keep in mind, number one, I am not your CPA, okay? If you actually want specific tax advice, you need to go hire your own CPA. This seminar is going to give you an introductory lesson in how the U.S. tax system works and how it affects your investments. But you should not attend this seminar and go ahead and make a bunch of stupid decisions with your taxes. Consult a tax professional that is specifically helping you before you take any actions. Yes, I am a tax professional, but I'm not your CPA. Okay. If you want to pay me a lot of money, maybe I will be, but I'm not your CPA. So let's go ahead and check out what the seminar is all about. And then you'll learn all about the payment system and the link and yada, yada. So here's the synopsis. So it's U.S. taxation for stock investors, a huge drag on your returns. That's true. Taxes will destroy your returns. This seminar is appropriate for individuals subject to taxation on their worldwide income by the United States. I don't know if you knew this, but if you just go leave the United States, but you're a citizen, you're still taxed, okay? And there's exclusions, blah, 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 blah. But you can't just not pay taxes because you leave the United States, but you're a citizen. Now, if you're a foreigner, probably not going to help you, okay? If you live in Germany, I don't know jack about German taxes. This would not be appropriate for you. But if you're a U.S. citizen, which the majority of my viewers are, this could be appropriate for you. You will learn the basics of the U.S. tax system regarding investment income, how taxes affect your investment returns, and how your tax professional, which is not me, I am not your CPA, may advise you to mitigate your tax liability. Okay, so here's the agenda. So like all my seminars, it's 1 hour of presentations, everybody's muted, and then 30 minutes of Q&A. And after the seminar, you get a copy of the recording and you get a PowerPoint presentation that you can keep forever. Okay, so here's the basics. The first part of the discussion, the seminar, will be federal, state, and local taxes. And basically, you're paying more taxes than you think. Interest, why bonds suck in taxable accounts. Dividends, qualified versus unqualified, and why I freaking hate dividends. Capital gains, short, long-term capital gains, and collectibles, and how to net them. And wash sales, okay? All of that is definitely going to be pertinent if you are investing in stocks, bonds, whatever, outside of a tax advantage account. You probably have seen interest. Your bank pays you interest. You got to pay tax on that. Dividends, capital gains. And if you're trading stocks, you're probably going to be generating wash sales. So all of this is very applicable to an investor. This is going to be very basic information. I mean, you'll definitely learn something from it, but you're not going to be a CPA or an accounting major by attending this seminar. I want to be very upfront with that. It's only an hour. Next is the tax forms, okay? I want to give you a basic understanding of how the tax forms work and how they tie together. You got the basic 1040, which is your individual tax return. And then you have schedules, supplemental schedules, where your taxes are calculated, or your taxes or your capital gains are netted and losses, your interest is calculated, blah, 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 blah. How all the schedules feed into the Form 1040, which is where you actually see your final tax liability. And then we're going to talk about how to potentially mitigate your taxes. Consult your CPA. But I'm going to show you the toxic effect of taxes on your investment returns. And I'm going to talk a little bit about tax advantage accounts. I talk about these all the time. We're going to talk about traditional Roth IRA, traditional Roth 401k, HSA. Okay? That's going to be an hour. All of this is going to be an hour. And then we're going to have 30 minutes of Q&A. Now, don't attend this seminar and ask me to answer a specific tax scenario for you. I don't understand your tax situation. I don't have access to all your freaking banking records and all your tax forms. I'm not going to answer individual tax questions on here. But if you have a question about the material or basic questions about how the tax system works, I'll be more than happy to answer them. But if you're like, hey, can I sell this and, not pay this tax rate? I'm not doing that for you. Okay. I don't understand your tax situation. I'm not your CPA. Additional information. This presentation will be at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday, July 2nd. Okay, that's this Saturday. It'll be via Google Meet. You don't have to download anything. The meeting link will be sent out Thursday night whenever I get around to it. If you don't receive the link, if you email me and you don't receive the link, contact me. Payment is due no later than 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Thursday, June 30th. It's $50 per household, okay? If you pay late, you have to pay a total of $65, which includes a $15 late fee. You better pay me by 5 p.m. on Thursday if you want to attend, or you have to pay extra. In addition to that, if you ever pay Jeremy Financial Education money for stupid courses, you get an automatic 50% discount. Here's all the payment information. It shows you exactly where to go and exactly how to pay me and exactly what to say, okay? And then just goes into detail again. The first hour is a presentation. The last 30 minutes are Q&A. Please show up early because I'm starting at 10 a.m. I'm not waiting for freaking people to show up, all right? Refunds. If you request a refund by 10 a.m. on Friday, July 1st, I'll give you a refund. But after that, there's no refunds. And if you don't like this seminar, which it's going to be a good seminar, but if you don't like it, too bad, okay? There's so many like scammers and mooches out there. Oh, I didn't like slide 25, so give me a full refund. No, that's not how it works. All participants will receive a PowerPoint slide deck at the conclusion of the seminar and the recording for their personal use. Now, if you want to access this, you can email me. If you want to sign up, you can email me at christopher.a.bell18@gmail.com. I will send you this information. This information is also available in the description of this video. But if you can't find it, you can email me and I'll give it to you. Go look in the description of this video. This link is here that will take you directly to this information. And here's my disclaimer. I'm a CPA licensed in the state of Virginia. I am not a financial advisor and I'm not your CPA. This presentation is for informational purposes and should not be construed as specific tax advice to you. For the 1,000th time, I am not your CPA. Are you my CPA? No, I'm not. The tax code is extremely complex, and you should consider hiring a tax professional who understands your specific tax situation. I don't want any freaking questions about, my mama bought this and I inherited it, and then I, paid some taxes. And, what's my basis? And what's my capital gain if I sell it? And no, I'm not doing that. Okay, so that's the seminar right there. Link is in the description of this video. If you're interested, email me. I'll sign you up. And we'll have a good time at Saturday at 10 a.m. Does anybody have any questions? Let's see, real quick. I need to go to bed. Strongman, will you cover options taxes? If I have time, I will. Yeah, I didn't even think about that, but yeah, we could cover options if we have time. Standard deduction because we're all poor. Let's see. Do you give stock mode survivor discounts? No, right now it's only Jeremy LaFufu. North Korean tax system, sure. I'm a CPA in North Korea. Let's see. Strongman, I used to be a big fan, but I'm tired of working like you say, so I'm going to join Financial Forces and learn the grift. Well, good luck with that. I'm sure you're going to be a millionaire in like 5 days. There's not okay, guys, this is $50. This is not a lot of money. Okay. If you will go hire a CPA to do your taxes, you're going to pay like $300, $400, $500 or more. This is not a bad deal. It's not a specific advice. $50 for an hour and a half ain't that freaking bad. And I guarantee you most of you don't know how to net short and long-term capital gains. You don't understand the difference between qualified and unqualified or ordinary dividends and how interest is taxed. I guarantee you don't know that. And if you do, good on you. Congratulations. All right, guys, that's it. If you want to sign up, links in the description of the video. And if you can't find it, email me. Talk to you later. Kevin, if you want to attend, I'll give you a discount. Okay, you can reach out to me. You should attend. You could have saved yourself so many taxes, bro. All right, that's it, guys. I'm going to bed. Cheers.